So we'll start with the easy one first, the bed light and the third brake lights. And there are 4 Phillips screws, so we need to remove that first, and then the whole assembly should just pop right out. Here's one, and they're pretty long. Okay, and it should pop right out. There we go. So all we have to do is remove the wire from the clip so that we have some room to pull out the bulb. And once it's out, just replace it with the new LED bulb. And another way that you could tell, other than looking at the part number, the white ones have these yellow coating, and the red ones have a small tiny little red dot. So that's how you know this is a red LED and this is a clear LED or white LED. Take the old school halogen light bulb out and in with the new. Slide it in and lock it in its housing. And just plug the wires back in the clip. And let's do the reverse light as well. By the way, these Lasfit bulbs are pretty well made. They have some weight to it and looks like it'll last a long time, which LED normally does last longer than the halogen bulbs. Put that back in. And before we place this one, the last one, I want to do a comparison and see how much brighter this is compared to the halogen. So just put the housing back in, and here we go. Oh yeah, much brighter. I don't know if the camera is catching it, but you know, in person, these are so much brighter and much more white and clear than these old looking yellowish halogen bulbs. Now I'm gonna press on the brake and see how bright the third brake light is. Oh yeah, that is bright. And I like that it's instant. So if I flash it, it instantly turns on. So that's why I prefer LEDs. So now all we have to do is put the LED bulb here and then screw the 4 screws back in and we're done. Another benefit of having LED bulb is that halogen bulbs runs hot. And so you know, you could potentially melt the housing if you have it on too long. But with the LEDs, that's not an issue. Alright, so before we screw it down, you do want to make sure that all the lights are working, because sometimes if the LED bulb doesn't work, we have to reverse the polarity. So let's just test it before we screw it down. Okay, that's working. Oh my god, they're bright. Love it. Just put the screws back in and we're all done with this section. Easy peasy, right?